key principles for family history research. I think it's really useful to have some key principles in mind when you're carrying out your family history research. Number 1. Prove links from one generation to the next. Don't rely on indexes to prove connections. It's rare, if ever at all, that an index will contain enough information to prove that that ancestor you've identified is your ancestor, does belong to your family tree. So by the birth, marriage or death certificate, look at the original parish record, look at the original census return to prove the ancestor in your index is your ancestor. Number 2, the spelling of names may not have always stayed the same, and you will find differences in spelling of names throughout your research. These happen for a number of reasons. My parents married, and their record in the index is incorrectly transcribed. So instead of the name Parker, they appear in the index under Parks. Number 3, seek out advice. Join a family history society or a family history group, like-minded people who are enthusiastic and love family history. They are always willing to offer advice and help. Read magazines, have a search on the internet, find forums, find websites. So wherever you are, whatever you're doing, if you're out and about for a day out or on holiday and you meet someone interested in family history, have a chat and share top tips, get their views, seek advice.